This is the ABE170 final term paper by Simon Blaze Davis Shatinsky. Topic Introduction. I chose this topic of the supply chain, the role of water, and its importance due to my major being supply chain management through the Eller College of Management. This paper starts out by explaining the role of water in different supply chains and the many ways that it can affect how the supply chain comes out to be. The second part of this paper is an example of a supply chain of bottled water and how it comes from the natural sources to where we see it today in our homes and grocery stores throughout the world. Thesis statement. According to the North Carolina State University's Poole School of Business, every single product, idea, and good all come from steps that led from the initial source of raw material to a finished good, and almost all of them involve water in one way or another. What is a supply chain? A supply chain is easily defined as the sequence of processes involved in the production and distribution of a commodity. It has four components, and those are production, procurement, distribution, and finally delivery. Water involvement. Water is involved in nearly every single supply chain, but is often used in many different ways. A few examples of this are through hydropower, air conditioning, packaging, or something even as simple as the driver drinking water while making a delivery of the product. There are also many additional ways that water is used to complement these. The bottled water supply chain is made up of two parts. The first part is the actual plastic bottle itself. This is made up of ethanol and other compounds mostly found in the Midwest and their corn-rich states. The first part is the actual water. This comes directly from a source, whether it be from a natural spring, a lake, or any other variety of sources. These are then combined at a bottling facility where they take the actual plastic bottle and it is then filled with the water. After this, the product goes out for distribution and delivery to both grocery stores, homes, businesses, and other facilities across the country. When most people think of the price of a bottle of water, they think only of the water inside of the bottle, when in reality, most of the actual product and price comes from the bottle itself. The bottling, packaging, shipping, marketing, retailing, other expenses all make up 90% of the bottled water supply chain, while the cost of the water only makes up a mere 10%. Where does bottled water end up? A huge concern is where the actual plastic from the bottled water ends up in today's world. 8% of this bottled water is sent to recycling centers, while 84% is sent to landfills. Approximately the remaining 7.7% is sent into an incinerator. This is a list of the references used in both the paper and this video. This is a reference page continued from the last. This is the final reference page. Thank you for watching this video and for reading the paper.